Hello student, I am Ranjit sir, and today student we are going to study problem set 2 and question number 10. Okay student, so question number 10 is find quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of roots. Find quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of roots and square of difference of the roots of equation 2x square plus 2p plus q into x plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Now student, the given quadratic equation is, solution will start student, solution. The given quadratic equation is, the given quadratic equation is 2x square plus 2p plus q into x plus p square plus q square, and this is equal to 0. Friend, this is the quadratic equation. 2x square plus 2 times p plus q into x plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Friend, this quadratic equation having two roots, that is called alpha and beta. Okay friend. So while comparing this equation with what student, standard form, that is what, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you will get what, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to what, 2 into p plus q, and what is c student? You see is that constant, that is p square plus q square. Yes student. So here what is a is 2, what is b, 2 times p plus q, and what is c student? C is p square plus q square. As you know that student, every quadratic equation has two roots. So this is also same, having two roots, that is alpha plus beta, alpha and beta. So what is student, alpha plus beta we know very well. Alpha plus beta is what student, minus b by a, and which is equal to, what is minus, what is b student, 2 p plus q, and divided by, what is a student, a is 2. So 2 and 2 cancel out, and you get what, minus p plus q. Yes right. So alpha plus beta is what, minus in bracket p plus q. Similarly we will find the alpha into beta student. So what is alpha into beta? That is product of the roots, and product of the root is what student, c by a, and what is c student? C is p square plus q square and divided by, sorry, what is a student? A is 2, right? This is equal to what? P square plus q square and divided by 2. Okay friends? So if alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, then you will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what student? Minus in bracket p plus q, and what is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is what student? That is c by a, and that is what student? P square plus q square upon 2. Okay student. Now we have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are student, square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of equation. Okay student, we are going to find the quadratic equation whose roots are student, square of sum of roots. Means if you will take, if alpha and beta, if alpha 1, if student alpha 1 and beta 1 are the roots of, student, if alpha 1 and beta 1 are the roots of required quadratic equation, if alpha 1 and beta 1 are the roots of required quadratic equation, then alpha 1 is what, student? Then alpha 1 is what? Alpha 1 is the square of sum of the roots. The square of sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta the whole square. And beta 1 is what, student? Other root is what? Square of difference of the roots. Means square of difference means what? What is difference? Alpha minus beta the whole square. Student, listen carefully. If alpha 1 and beta 1 are the roots of required quadratic equation, so we'll write what? What is alpha 1? Alpha 1 according to the question, roots are square of sum of the roots. Square of sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta the whole square and square of difference of the roots. So square of difference of the roots means what? Alpha minus beta the whole square. So there we'll write what will be our quadratic equation? It will be x square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 into x plus alpha 1 into beta 1. This is equal to 0. This will be our required quadratic equation. So write this is the equation number 1. What will write, student? We will write this as a equation number 1. So if alpha and beta 1 are the roots of required quadratic equation, so alpha 1 is equal to what? Alpha plus beta the whole square, and beta 1 is what, student? Alpha minus beta the whole square. So required quadratic equation will be what? X square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 into x plus alpha 1 into beta 1. Now student, we are going to find the value of what, student? Alpha 1 plus beta 1 and alpha 1 into beta 1, and then student, we will put this value in this equation. We will get required quadratic equation. Okay, student? So now student, we have to find alpha 1 plus beta 1. Student, what is alpha 1? Alpha 1 is what? Alpha plus beta the whole square. What is beta 1? Beta 1 is alpha minus beta the whole square. So we are having the value of alpha plus beta, but we are not having the value of alpha minus beta. So we will find alpha minus beta the whole square. So alpha minus beta the whole square can be calculated. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha into beta square. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 into alpha into beta. Now student, here when you will expand, this will be what? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta and minus 4 alpha into beta. So just you see here, this will be what? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and this is what? Minus 4 alpha into beta. Student, so here what you will get? Plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha into beta, you will get minus 2 alpha into beta. And this is what, student? Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha into beta. So when you will expand alpha minus beta the whole square, what you will get, student? Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha into beta. Okay, student? So alpha minus beta the whole square can be written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha into beta. Okay, student? Now we will put the value of alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta, student? Alpha plus beta is minus in bracket p plus q. So minus in bracket p plus q the whole square minus 4. And what is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is what? P square plus q square divided by 2. Okay, student? What is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is what, student? P square plus q square divided by 2. Now student, we will simplify. So you will get, student, here square of this will be what? P plus q the whole square. The square of negative is always positive. This is what? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 times you get p square plus q square. Okay, student? You will get minus 2 times p square Okay, student. So this will be what, student? P, expand this, so you will get what, student? P square plus Q square plus 2PQ, and then subtract this, so you get what, student? Minus, open the bracket, 2P square, because of this minus this plus becomes minus 2Q square. So you will get, student, what? Write P square, then minus 2P square, then write plus Q square, minus 2Q square, and then, student, plus 2PQ. So this will be what, student? This will be minus P square, this will be what? Minus Q square, and this will be plus 2PQ. And this is equal to, student. Now take minus common. Take negative sign as a common. So you will get what, student? P square plus Q square minus 2PQ. Okay, student. This will be what? You will take minus as a common. So you will get P square plus Q square minus 2PQ. Now, student, this is what? This is the square of P minus Q the whole square. Right? Minus, this is what? P plus Q the whole square. This is what, student? P minus Q the whole square. This is what? P minus Q the whole square. So this is what, student? Alpha minus beta the whole square. And what is, student, alpha plus beta the whole square? We have calculated alpha plus beta the whole square. So alpha minus beta the whole square is what, student? I will write here. Alpha minus beta the whole square is what? Minus P minus Q the whole square. Alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to what? P minus in bracket P minus Q the whole square. And already we have calculated alpha plus beta the whole square. So, student, alpha plus beta the whole square is what? Alpha plus beta the whole square is, student, P plus Q the whole square. What is alpha plus beta the whole square, student? That is P plus Q the whole square. Now, student, we will find alpha 1 plus beta 1. Now, alpha 1 plus beta 1, this is equal to alpha 1 plus beta 1. What is alpha 1, student? Alpha 1 is what? Alpha plus beta the whole square. Plus, what is beta 1, student? Alpha minus beta the whole square. And alpha plus beta the whole square, we have calculated this, and alpha minus beta the whole square, we have calculated this. Just we have to put the value. So what is alpha plus beta the whole square? Minus P minus Q the whole square, plus what is, student? Alpha plus beta the whole square is what? P plus Q the whole square. And what is alpha minus beta the whole square? Alpha minus beta the whole square is minus P minus Q the whole square. Okay, student. If you will assume this as a A and this is as a B, this is what A, this is what B. So A square minus B square. Okay, student. A square minus B square. You are going to use the formula. So you will get A plus B and A minus B. So what is A, student? Here A is P plus Q. Plus, what is B, student? B is P minus Q. In next bracket, what is A, student? P plus Q. And minus, you will just open the bracket, student, minus P and then, student, plus Q. Okay. So this will be what, student? Minus Q is cancelled with plus Q. So you will get what? 2P. P plus P into 2P. Into what, student? Here, minus P is cancelled out with plus P. So you will get, student, what? 1Q plus 1Q, 2Q. So this is what, student? 4PQ. What is it? This is the value of alpha 1 plus beta 1. What is alpha 1 plus beta 1? 4PQ. So, student, I will write here. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 is what, student? 4PQ. Okay, student. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 is what? 4PQ. Now, student, we will find the value of alpha 1 into beta 1. Okay student. So we'll find the value of alpha 1 into beta 1. Now student, here alpha 1 into beta 1, okay, alpha 1 into beta 1 is equal to, what is alpha 1 student? Alpha 1 is what? This is alpha plus beta the whole square. What is beta 1? Beta 1 is what? Alpha minus beta the whole square. And what is alpha plus beta the whole square? So this is what? P plus Q the whole square into, what is alpha minus beta the whole square? Minus, alright, minus P minus Q the whole square. Right students, we'll take minus as a common. This will be what? P plus Q the whole square, and this is what? P minus Q the whole square. So this you will write student, minus both is square, so I will write like this, P plus Q into P minus Q, bracket complete and square. Okay student, because this is what? P plus Q the whole square, this is P minus Q the whole square. So when we'll take together like this, so we'll make the square like this. So student, you will get what? Minus, this is what student? This is A, this is B, this is A and this is B. So again you will use here A plus B and A minus B. So here is what? P plus Q and P minus Q. So you will get what student? You will get here P square minus Q square the whole square. You will get what student? P square minus Q square the whole square. This is the value of alpha 1 into beta 1. So alpha 1 into beta 1 is what student? Minus in bracket P square minus Q square the whole square. Now student, we have the value of alpha 1 plus beta 1. We have the value of alpha 1 into beta 1. That is what? Minus P square minus Q square the whole square. Now our required quadratic equation is what student? Required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 x plus alpha 1 into beta 1 equal to 0. So therefore student, you will get here x square minus, what is alpha 1 plus beta 1? Alpha 1 plus beta 1 is what? 4pq. So 4pq x plus, what is alpha 1 into beta 1? Alpha 1 into beta 1 is what? Minus in bracket P square minus Q square the whole square. Okay student. So therefore x square minus 4pqx minus in bracket P square minus Q square the whole square is the required quadratic equation. Okay student, thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a nice day.